and I want you to use this as a reminder that you don't have to have a boyfriend or a husband before you celebrate Valentine's Day. You can celebrate it and still have a really good time. Got flowers. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, thank you so much for clicking this video and wanting to watch it. My name is Adobe Okonkwo. I am a Nigerian content creator who lives in Dallas, Texas. And you guys are going to be spending Valentine's Day with me since I didn't have any vow for today. So it's a little bit sad, but not really. I think I'm already used to living alone. I did try to book a reservation at a restaurant for a solo date, but all the restaurants were all booked up by you all. And so I decided to go buy steak and some pasta. Because like whenever I go out, that's usually what I order. So I was like, you know what? I might as well just make it special at home. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And I want you to use this as a reminder that you don't have to have a boyfriend or a husband before you celebrate Valentine's Day. You can celebrate it and still have a really good time. Your life shouldn't be dependent on your significant other. You can spend it with friends, you can spend it with family. It is raining, so it makes it hard for me to even go surprise my friends or like, you know, just go do that kind of stuff. So I am going to just be chilling and just, you know, cleaning up. And I told you guys that I bought steak from Italy. I went to the mall yesterday. So I bought this really delicious looking rib eye, and that's what I'm going to be having later today after I've showered and cleaned up the space. So, and then I bought pasta. So this is, it looks like rigatoni, but it isn't rigatoni. So apparently it's supposed to be handmade, so extra fresh. So that's what I'm going to be having. I also bought tomato sauce and some Parmesan cheese. And I still have shrimp, I believe. So I'm going to be having all of that together. And I should bring out the shrimp. It's not a lot, just a little bit remaining. Where did I buy this from? Because it tasted really good. So I'm going to take the time to pray, clean up, just plan my life, you know, do a bunch of editing. You guys are going to be doing all of that good stuff with me. So let's get started. First off, I'm going to do the dishes, and I got flowers. Okay, so I'm going to be putting all the flowers in the vases that I have. I feel like there are too many. So I put it on my workstation or in the bedroom because I usually don't put flowers in the bedroom. So since I have excess of it today, that's exactly what I am going to be doing. So first off, let's do the dishes, and maybe I would go do a few returns. So I bought these phone cases. If you guys have really good phone case recommendation, please let me know. Finished cleaning. I am going to, I think I should do the flowers first. So we're gonna put the flowers into vases, and these are the two vases that I have and the flowers that I got. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this with ice. There's some ice that I have on there. I have done my meal prep for my snack later today, which is the overnight oats you guys saw me do. So I'm going to mop my floor and then I'm going to vacuum again. So let me show you guys this mop system. This one. So this is so good. It's not as heavy as the Swifter one. So you pretty much just pour. Now you just squeeze. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It looks like it's better to just buy my Nespresso pods because it tastes so much better whenever I do actual Nespresso pods versus buying like coffee and trying to do that stuff. Unless I invest and get that Ninja one where you pour the coffee in and then it drips. So that one is like $600. I'm not spending my money on that. So I'm gonna do my morning devotion. I'm gonna curl my hair and then we're gonna make a little lunch slash solo dinner thing at home. So let's go do devotion. I love it. It's raining outside and it's just the most beautiful feeling. It just feels really cozy. This is a perfect weather to just stay in, so I'm not even mad at all. Um, Once I'm done with my devotion, I'm going to go shower and start prepping my dinner. So I think I'll do it as a dinner and I'll find something really cute to wear. But yes, let's do our devotion. The color available now is the red with white. On Instagram, I saw Angel. Remember that baby? Right. You don't dey take am. So did you pay for my rent or did you rent me an apartment? So you did. If I had known so I would have bought some sexy outfits yesterday. All the way. All laptops burning oil. Okay, and you guys might be wondering why is she not using or maybe you guys are not wondering why is she not using hair mousse styling lotion. I noticed that anytime I don't use it, my curls last way longer than when I actually use it. So I just sometimes will use it, other times I won't. But because I want to try something different today, I didn't use the hair mousse and we're going to keep it like that. So once my hair is properly dry, we're going to blow dry it. Should we blow dry? Because I feel like I have, let's blow dry it because I have undergrowth. Next, we are going to be doing our lashes, and I have my handy mirror here. My lashes have grown really well since I allowed it to rest. So we're going to bring out all the stuff we're going to need. And to be honest, I like mixing my lashes up. So I might use a little bit of this, just give it a little bit of wispiness. And then you're gonna need lash coiler. Then I have most of my stuff right here. And then this is my new one. It's just that this one is super light and it almost feels like you have nothing on unless you layer it more. So we might do this all 14s and maybe 12 to 2. So yeah, and then for lash glue, I'm using this lash glue from Shein, and I actually like to mix it with this one because it's thicker. So instead of using this, we're going to be using this one just to add thickness, especially on the sides. Okay, so like this is fine, but it looks very scanty. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and then add this wispy ones. So we're gonna so if you want it to be light and not noticeable, then you just do 2 rows each. So that's my okay. Do our hair, and we're gonna start off with this.
Man. Let me put your check. Let me put the check down here.
This.
Like how big?
Okay. So guys, this is what the finished look looks like. I will I'm going to leave it on with a scarf for a little bit, and then I'll then take it off so that air can. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so we are done, and now I'm just going to get rid of all this mess that I have on here first.
Surprise me was?
Yeah, girl wise.
I did not expect him to look how she did. I feel like that's like the biggest surprise of all. She's got
Really how the pods. I just actually had a like.
Blackbird Sunday, backseat tune, pair of bluebirds pick around on the roof. Mother Earth holding your weight, sun in your hair. Wind is steady on your face, breathing in cold air. What if you let me know all that you know? Give a hug, have you? What if I made you know all that I know, that this could happen to you? This could happen to you. River perfectly rounded stone fits in your hand. Syncopated subway.
The time is 5:46 and we survived. And this is just a reminder that you shouldn't wait for people to show you love. You should do things that make you happy. Like literally, sometimes it doesn't even cost money. But for this today, it cost money. I absolutely enjoyed the steak. It came out so perfect. And this pasta, this is literally the first time I'm getting it this right. And thank goodness I recorded it, because guess what? I'm going to attempt to make it again. But I just enjoyed the day. I basked in it. Tomorrow is church, so I'm trying to decide if I go in person. Since I already have my hair made, I most likely will attend the church in person. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Subscribe, leave a comment down below about videos you'd love to see, and I would be more than happy to help you with it. I just feel very light. Do you get? It doesn't have a lot of alcohol. It has enough to help you relax, and that's exactly what I need. So once I'm done drinking this, I will just go lay down, finish up the Love is Blind last episode, and I'll do a little bit of research online, apply for some jobs, and then call it a night. But I absolutely enjoyed making this video, guys. I'm gonna take this water. Once it's cold, I don't like drinking extremely cold water except I'm at the gym, so I'm gonna allow it to cool down, and then I would finish this before bed, because I don't think I've drunk water, and I've drunk coffee, I drank wine, so I need to cleanse my inside. We're also going to plug my iPad to charge.